With so much to do now, I have no idea where to start. Maybe the front wheel goes on today? I don't know. I don't know where to start. Maybe I should put the swing arm back on? Oh, I don't know. Prop this up on my jack. Now I can put the swing arm on the back here. But first of all, I'll put the front wheel on, maybe. Let's see. Let's get the brake on first. Sort the brakes out. Need to remove the handle. Reattach the front brake. So I've got no front brake on at the moment. It's alright, we don't need brakes. Coward levers anyway. We don't need them. Okay, so one tooth there. This could be the incorrect actual nut. Okay, we haven't got one on this side. Interesting. Well, I got some nuts and bolts. Okay, I need to readjust this again, but front brake in, front brake out, front brake in, front brake out, and look at that, it's retracting. I tell you, this 100% was C's when I first got it. Bit of GT85 and it's come right back to life. Whew. But yeah, I just need to readjust it because it is slightly activated. So I need to take this off again and move it one notch because I don't think I can move that. I think that's completely had it. But I'll give it a try actually. I'll quickly move this now, see if that... Good news, this adjuster nut does work. So yeah, I'll probably have to play around with that adjuster nut once I get the wheel on. Because if I can do that when the wheel's on, that means that probably the front brake isn't adjusted right. Okay, so yeah, let's work out how to get this wheel on. I'm not sure because I do not know how this actually goes. I never took this bike apart, so I don't know how to... It's going to be really tricky to put it back together. But luckily I've got a manual, but I'm not going to bring the manual in here because I don't want to get it all scuffed up. So I decided to take some pictures of how it all goes together, so hopefully I can work this out. So what I want to try and do is try to get the swing arm on. I think I need to put the get the tape off later maybe. Let's have a look. Got a long boys here. That looks like it's a swinging arm. Swing arm. Damn lamb chops! He kept saying swinging arm in his video, and now I've started saying swinging arm. It's not swinging arm, it's swing arm. Gosh darn it. Rear axle. Fine. Easy peasy. Rear axle. That's it. Rear axle, front axle, swing arm bolt. Swing arm, not swinging arm. I'm sorry I don't have any fancy LEDs either. Like colour LEDs anyway. Don't have a tool chest either, just lots of different toolboxes. Want to go see someone... Oh, how does this go? Does this go over the swing arm or under the swing arm? Something I should probably look up before I put this on. Here. It's got to be over then. It's got to be over. Let go. There's no bolts in it yet. It's got to be over then. Got to be. Right. So. Ah! Right, after I found that, it was in the garage. because I was like, yeah, I'm sure it's on my shelf, but no, it's not. It was in the couch. Ah. Suppose I've got to check which way the blooming thing goes. Get in there nice with the grease. Nice and greasy. Yeah. Okay. Oof. Oh, I think it's time for a coffee. That's what I call a job well all finished. Carefully walk around the bike. Even though I have a big shed. And I set this bike up in the worst possible position so I could give it to the camera. I've got my coffee. Now let's put the suspension on. Is anything else meant to go on before I put the suspension on though? Step over the bike. Set the bike up perfectly good for the camera, but definitely not the best working environment today. Right, so I have two suspensions. I think they're going this way on. And I need to find, ooh, that's actually starting to weigh the bike over now. Right, I need to be careful on this one then. Right, let's move this forward a bit. So I've given a box of bits and another box of bits. I've sorted out some of this. These are the unaccounted bits, so I think... Well, I have no idea which bolts are what, so I might actually have to go look at the user manual to see what bolts I need for this suspension. Oh, looks like we have a wiener. That could be something. Like that. Alright then. Like that. Wow. Oh! Made me jump. The camera I thought was going to fall. It is precariously resting on a toolbox right now, so. It's because it's got painted on it. Difficult to turn. Right, so flips it round. I'll try to put the rear wheel in now. First of all, how does the rear wheel assemble and what parts am I looking for? Yes, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. One of my most used tools, the spring puller. You gotta get yourself a decent one. This is pretty good. I looked through all my spares and that's the best I could find. I think I might clean it up before we put it on though. I'm all for making it easier, so I flipped the bike upside down. Getting that centre stand spring back on, that was tough. Because every time I pulled it, the whole bike came with it as well, because the bike's so light. Whew, but I finally got it back on. Anyway, step over. And let's put these suckers in. We're done. Great, it's just gone in the toolbox, and I can't use the toolbox now. Oh. Is that recording? I don't know.